Wanna know how to delete your Facebook page story? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in and I'm already onto my Facebook page as well. Make sure you are as well. Now scroll down. Next to this post one, you will see the username of your Facebook page and next to it is your profile picture. So tap on this blue background onto your profile picture. That is a particular story that you want to delete. Select it and tap on this three straight dotted line next to cross on the top right corner. You will be given three of the option: boost unavailable, delete photo, and something went wrong. Tap on delete photo. Tap on delete if you are sure that you want to delete this from your story. Just by doing it, you can see that your photo has been deleted. That means you have successfully deleted your Facebook page story. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.